Cut white paper into pieces measuring 2 inches by 2 3/4 inches. Cut scrapbook paper into strips measuring 2 1/4 inches and 6 3/4 inches. Score the scrapbook paper at 1/2, 1, 1 1/8, 4, and 4 1/8 inches. Gather a stack of 10 sheets of white paper and staple closely to the edge. Fold backwards along the first score line. Apply double-sided tape to the stapled edge. Fold and press securely. Fold the cover into place and tuck into the small bottom flap. Add stickers and other embellishment. Easy peasy tiny books for doodling and jotting down all your good ideas.